Thank you, Hotel Management Helper, Puneet and Sumit, for giving me this opportunity. My journey to becoming a chef was completely by chance and driven entirely because of the passion I have for cooking and food. Born in a family of lawyers and judges, it was something no one expected. Like any other industry out there, hard work and perseverance is something one needs to succeed. To carve out your own name in the food and culinary art industry as a chef or food consultant, one needs to be totally motivated and passionate about food. You need to come up with ideas and be creative about different kind of food and understand what each ingredient is to the dish. Attributes of a successful hotelier? Well, hospitality industry is all about people. And when it comes to anything that has to do with people, the most important thing is communication. Be it food or hotel business, you need to know your customers and engage with them. Another important thing to be successful is to stay updated. What is trending in the industry while keeping up to it. But your mantra should be customer is the king. The trends of hospitality industry. Technology is something which has become very important today. When I travel around, when I see how it has changed the hospitality industry too in a big way, everything has become smart. Customers are used to fast services, fast check-ins, fast checkouts, fast orders, and everything is done through our smartphones. So healthy options, be it fitness or food, is something which is also a latest trend. And last but not the least, every business is going sustainable way. My first job and current position, how do I relate? It has been food that connects me with my first job and the current one. Exploring food and cuisines has always been an important part of my life, and I'm happy that I'm still doing it. I've started a new personalized catering service of special menu that keeps changing every week. Home cooked under utmost care, through which I am now introducing different cuisines of the world to people who share the love of exploring different types of food. Things if I want to change in the food industry? Well, I believe that as an industry we need to be more open to explore the unexplored and put out there for the world to see or rather taste. We also need the future generation to go beyond their conventional way and comfort zone and be creative. Be creative thinker to grow as an industry in the country as well as across the globe. A success mantra for young budding professionals, all I can say is to work hard, no substitute, and keep the fire burning for the love of food and take enough time to learn the basics and hone your skills. The most important one would be afraid of experiment and explore. Exploring.